Hello again, and I'm back with another resin make, and I've sped this one up a bit because I'm making some rainbow glitter dominoes. And so I mixed up 7 different colours, and I will tip it in 4 of the, there's 4 spaces on each layer of the, each row. So I'm just going to fill the dominoes up with each of these colours. So we're starting there with that colour. It's coming across a bit dark, it's like red. And then we have like a turquoisey glitter green. I thought it'd be fun and unusual to make a set of rainbow dominoes. I've made a full set of purple ones, which were sort of popular. I made a set with butterflies in. It took me forever, and they sold sort of quickly. And I've just sold my most recent set, which were a floral set. So I thought I'd go back to the glitter, but instead of doing one single colour on each, I just thought, we'd be a bit different and unusual, make a pretty set of rainbow ones. So I'm going in now with the blue. I had to start going, working pretty quick at the end because of the resin in the cups. It started to thicken up, and I wanted the least amount of bubbles in these as possible. So yeah, so just quickly do those and make sure we fill them up so they are all even, evenly filled, because each each colour I want evenly filled. The drips I wipe up out of the spaces off the camera. Apologies if you can hear the siren, but it's rather close. So I'm going in with the gold now because I have no yellow sparkly glitter, so we thought we'd do gold, and that goes rather well with the other colours as well because they're all sparkly, holographic and twinkly and look absolutely gorgeous in person. Again, making sure that they're all filled up to the same level, so we don't have one shorter than the other, like when you lay them down to play. Okay, so now I'm coming in with a purple. Trying to randomise where I tip. Apologies for the camera keep going in and out of focus. That's because I keep moving my hands. But I'm trying to go as quick as I can now with this resin, because I did notice pouring that purple one that it's starting to get a little bit thicker in the cup, and once it starts going thick it will turn very quickly. So these last 2 colours I pour a bit quicker than normal. So there we have the pink, and they look super gorgeous in person. It's just a shame it's not picking that up on the camera because they are so pretty and uber sparkly. And yeah, and if I remember correctly, I did a full green because I've got like the turquoisey. I'm just trying to scrape out that last bit to fill that, and then I come straight in with the green. Yep, here we go. It's a gorgeous shade of green as well, and it complements all the other colours, and they just look so pretty. I'll do the other bits off camera because obviously this took quite a while to fill these up, and I've done a lot of editing just to get it down just to this, believe it or not. So yeah, so I'll do all my other bits, which is go around the edges, go over with my clicky lighter, trying to think, go over with my clicky lighter. I'll spritz with isopropyl alcohol just to make sure there are no bubbles hiding anywhere. And then when you come back, I will be unmolding. Okay, so it's time to unmold. Look at that. Gorgeous blue. Beautiful ruby red. Oh, pretty in pink. Bling bling gold. Amazing turquoise. Gorgeous green. And purplicious purple. So I'm just going to quickly finish unmolding the rest of those now. And then I will deburr and smooth all of the edges and the corners so they are safe for all fingers of all ages. And I will insert a photo at the end of the finished items once I have added all the white detail, which also takes a blooming long time to do. So yeah, these are available now on my website, and all of that will be in the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye.